let us study the next mode of heat transfer, that is called convection. Convection means what? The convection of heat, it is the process of transfer of heat through the material medium in which the particle of medium carries the thermal energy from higher temperature region to the lower temperature region. So regarding these convections, we can say that the convection of heat, it is the process of transfer of heat through the material medium in which the particle of medium carries the thermal energy from the high temperature region to the low temperature region. What are the examples of the convections? So here we can say that the formation of sea breezes and land breezes is due to the convection current. So these things you have to remember regarding the convections. Now, what are the characteristics of convection? So let us see the characteristics of convection. Characteristics of convection. So first point you have to remember here that the convection is the faster mode of transfer of heat compared to the conduction, but it is slower one as compared to the radiation. Second point, second characteristics of convection, we can say that the material medium is necessary for the convections. So material medium is necessary for the convection. The third characteristics, we can say that the physical movement of a particle of a medium is involves in the convection. So there is actual migration of particle of medium in the convection. The next point or next characteristics, we can say that the convection occurs in liquids and the gaseous. So this convection, this process occurs in the liquids as well as the gases. So these are the characteristics of convections you have to remember here. Now the third mode of the heat transfer, that is called the radiation. So let us study about the radiation. So radiations means what? The radiation of heat is defined as the process of transfer of heat in the form of electromagnetic waves for which material medium is not necessary. So in this process of radiations, the material medium is not required. So these things you have to remember here. In the case of radiations, we know that the electromagnetic waves travels with the speed of light. And what is the speed of light? The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So electromagnetic waves traveled with the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Regarding the convections, we can say that if we sit near the fire, we receive the heat by the radiation. So this is about the radiations. Now let us study about the characteristics of radiations. Characteristics of radiation. So first characteristics of radiations, the radiations, it is the fastest among all modes of transfer of heat. It is the fastest mode as compared to conduction and convection. So the radiation is the fastest among all modes of transfer of heat. Second characteristics, we can say that material medium is not necessary for the radiations. So for the process of radiations, the material medium, it is not necessary. Third characteristics, the radiations traveled as the electromagnetic waves with a speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second square. The next characteristics of the radiations, you have to remember here that it occurs in the gases and in the vacuum. So these are the some characteristics of radiations you have to remember here. Now let us study about the next article, that is Newton's law of cooling. So let us study